everyone. I hope you are having a great day. My name is Chase. Thanks for joining me. This is Chase's World.
Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining us. My name's Chris.
Chase.
And this is Chase's World. Hope you guys are happy and smiling. Thank you for joining us. If you haven't already, join the team, subscribe, hit that like, and let's get into it.
Boom.
This one is the Dart Tag. As you see, Chase already has one blue one. Here's the second blue one. We got a reddish maroon one and a green. The reason we have so many of these is because these are perfect when you just want to have a cool little duel with a couple people and make it fair. Plus, these are not too expensive for what they are. They're pretty decent guns, and this is like pretty much everyone can use these. You just cock them back, load them up, cock them back, and they're good to go. So they're not too hard to use. Pretty powerful for what they are. I mean, they're not super powerful, but so we'll show you guys real quick. There is the green, the maroonish red, okay, and the blue times 2. That was the Nerf Dart Tag.
Nerf
what? The mighty. We appreciate you guys watching the video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Pew, 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 pew.
Until next time.